Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome to another episode. In fact, yeah, I love having such starters. Anyway, reboot. Welcome to the season finale of The Red Pollutants. So this is the final episode for this span until we come for season 2 again. So today we will be having two guests with us, and both of them are actually the core members of the Green Ammo team. And one of the best part about this team is we are three females, and all the three of us use menstrual cups, or when we are in dire need, we use biodegradable pads. So it'll be a very interesting discussion. Firstly, we'll be having Mugdha with us for 15 to 20 minutes, and thereafter Navjot will be joining. I will be the constant host, so bear with my face. Hi Mugdha, if you could send me the request, then I can share the screen with you. It's been an amazing journey so far. We've had talks with so many women and men as well, and it was enlightening. Lots of issues came up and lots of stories on successful usage of menstrual cups and other healthier menstrual products were also discussed. And I guess even though we have been in this whole spree of raising awareness and discussing about menstrual hygiene, there is always something to learn, because every woman has her own experience as a user, and every man has his own experience of being on the threshold of the waste that is created because of the one-time use sanitary pads. Hola Mugdha, still waiting for you. If you could send me a request, honey, then I can... I hope this worked. Every time I keep forgetting how the whole life thing is done. Yeah, great. We're here.
Hey.
Hi, Mugdha.
Hello. Hey.
How are you?
Can you hear me? I'm good.
Yeah. How is
All
the
good.
Sunday out there? Thandi pad gayi?
Yeah, it's getting cold day by day. So.
There is no
and I'm
sense of winter.
Sorry. Oh, wow. That's nice. No, it's getting cold. Nights are getting chilly here. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So this is new because most of the time either of us or Navjot is the one who is on the other side of the screen, and we let the person speak. But I'll act as the host. So you tell me.
Yes.
Oh, great. Molly is also here. This is super cool. Hi, Molly.
Yes. Hey, Molly.
Tell me, when did you start using the cup?
Well, I think it was towards the end of 2019 when I decided to give it a try, and then later on, yeah, but I think that time things didn't work out well. I gave it a break, and then again I started using in 2020. So, well, I don't know. I kind of experienced some sort of discomfort, and then I was like, okay, fine, let me just take a break. And then and then I switched back to it again. So yeah, it was.
How is the experience?
It's a great choice. I'm pretty comfortable now. Yeah.
What happened the first time though?
Well, I don't know. Maybe it was just because it was my first time using it. I felt really odd or something, because I've been using pads for so long, and I don't know, some sort of discomfort I felt. So I was like, okay, let's not like.
With quite a number of women, when they use it for the first time, I think it is mental blockage or something of that sort. They get very scared, and it's a sense of alienation as well, maybe for the body, or maybe because there is no sense at all. It's scary.
No, I think it's because I was getting sort of like irritation and itching down there. So I was like, okay, let's not push it, like, to the extent where I don't know what's going on. So that's the reason why I stopped. But now it's all cool. So yeah.
Great. See, any woman, if you have stopped in between or in the initial days thinking that maybe it's not the right product, maybe you can give another try. But of course, please consult your gynecologist. It's something that we always say.
Yeah.
As a woman, I
Mm-hmm.
hope that you go to the gynecologist regularly. It's very, very important. And
Mm-hmm.
well, my gynecologist is super,
Okay.
super thumbs up with the cup. She uses it herself, so she's super chill with it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, just consult her
I
and
think
maybe
I
try
think
a few
it's
times.
just, yeah, and I think just in case, even if you are a little afraid to switch right now, maybe you can start switching to other sustainable options first, and then slowly get to it. Like just buy a cup and keep giving it a try. Whenever you think things are getting comfortable, you can switch to it completely.
Yeah, because other than that, you also have biodegradable pads. I mean, period panties are
Yeah,
super
yeah,
comfortable. I am
yeah,
using it,
totally.
so I find period panties like super cool. So now the question is, why are you using a period panty? See, before discussing about it, I had to try it. I couldn't just talk
Hmm.
about it. So I tried it,
Yeah,
and I use it sometimes just as a normal panty because I don't need one. I have a cup, but for one
right.
cycle, I try to use that instead of the cup, and it's pretty
Mm-hmm.
good. I love the product Nykaa came up with. It's a really, really good. It's got a pack of three. It's a really
Oh,
good product. So
okay.
yeah, even for women who are
That's
using a
amazing.
cup and who have super heavy flow,
Mm-hmm.
for
Mm-hmm.
for day
It's
one
it's
and day
good.
two, you can actually use the cup and wear that panty instead. Makes
Yeah,
sense.
yeah. That would be, yeah, it does. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, I can give it a go maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean anyway, चड्डियाँ तो हमको लगती है ना. Why not try a
Yeah.
period panty instead?
Yeah, yeah. It's good that people are coming up with innovative products
Yeah, I mean
for
nowadays
this
there
end
are
as well.
advertisements for menstrual cup, not in mainstream media, but in social media and Instagram and Facebook and all. I think quite a number of advertisements have also come up. Before किसी को पता ही नहीं होता था कि है, unless you
Yeah.
have someone sitting
I
outside or some friend recommending.
Yeah, right. I really, really wish though that I knew all of this when we were on our field visits. I talked to this with Manushi also, and she said that I was using it at the time because it used to be so difficult. We just had to switch the trains and everything and go. It used to get so uncomfortable, and for some reason, all the visits will always fall on the days of periods. I don't know
I
why.
don't know
I
why.
remember,
I know.
yeah, because I remember
It
having
is
this
so
conversation.
weird.
Yeah, I think Molly was taking like our weekly briefs one of the days, and like all of us literally went to visits on periods, like all, I think eight of us, all eight girls. And she's like, "What is this? This is something or something." Like you just,
I don't know. It's just weird. For the past, I don't know how many years I've been using it. I don't know how many years. Whatever happens is,
Hmm.
whenever I have to travel, and that's what I do for a
Yeah,
living as well. I travel.
hmm,
Whenever I travel,
yeah,
I will definitely get my periods. Last time I had to go to the beach. On the
hmm.
way, got my periods. This time I have a trek in December. The date
Yeah,
is 4 or 5 days after my period date, and
yeah.
I'm sure something will happen and I'll realize it on my tongue. But that's the thing about cups, once you
Oh
start
God.
using cups, it's okay, chalta hai, big deal.
Yeah, it's
Getting
okay. Yeah,
traveling,
yeah.
local transport really doesn't matter. It really doesn't
It
matter. All I
doesn't.
need is
True.
to carry my separate water bottle in case I don't get access to proper clean water to like clean my
Yeah,
cup. All I
yeah.
need is a little water, so it's all chill.
That's
I
all. That's
couldn't
okay.
imagine
That's
to do
okay though.
all of this traveling and trekking and everything using, I mean, wearing a pad. That's like, no.
This happened with me on my first trek that I did back in 2015. While coming back, our last day of descent, I got my periods, and I was like, "Damn it! Like, why? Like,
I
just
know,
one
right?
more day.
एक दिन नहीं
Like,
रुक
just."
सकते थे.
But I know because it was a lot of exertion and everything. So
Hmm.
obviously things got pushed, and I got my it was so damn weird. And then my friends are like, okay, so I gave my luggage to that, the kachars who come along, because I was like, I can't carry my backpack and come down with my periods going on. I was like, no, this is not possible. So I gave my luggage to the khatcher and I walked down because it was my very
Where
first
was the
trek.
trek, by the way?
Saurkundi Pass.
Saukundi Pass.
Yeah. So
Nice.
it was my very first trek, and I was like, I'm not taking that risk. Like, this is way
Mm.
beyond the limits right now. But
No,
yeah,
no, I think it's legitimate, bro. Like during the periods, if a girl
yeah,
is tired and she's exhausted, she's disintegrating parts in her body. I mean, her eggs are
yeah,
getting disintegrated. This is something that is very different for every female. For
mm,
me, it has never
mm,
been an issue because I've always been very active and traveling and all. But I
mm.
completely understand if someone is feeling the pain. Pain is something that cannot be objective, it's person to person. And if a
Yeah,
woman demands a little rest and relaxation from family to workplace to everyone around, should have at least that sympathy. It doesn't have to be
yeah.
overboard or something, but at least have the
Hmm.
sympathy and not be an ass about it. Because many people
Yeah,
turn out
yeah,
to be an ass about it.
yeah. There are sometimes, yeah. So I think there are two very amazing points which my discussion with Sharmishta came up, that because she also suffers from PCOD,
Uh-huh.
so she said that things get really really difficult for her, and I have seen it with, I mean, people with PCOD, especially women with PCOD. They have, I mean, their pain is, I think, probably double what
Yeah,
we feel in a
yeah,
normal thing, and it's just weird because. Um, it's something that doesn't really have complete cure yet, so that's another, it's just a struggle, and everybody's body deals with that kind of issue differently, so they just keep trying and trying to find a way around it. So well, what she told me, that she just gives a heads up to all her family members and her close friends around her that
yeah.
she is not available, for next a week or so. So please don't disturb her, which I feel is a
Which is
really good idea to
legitimate.
do.
It's a good idea, especially
Yeah,
when people
absolutely.
know why things are not going in the usual mood that it does, because it hurts. For few
Yes,
people, it
and
really, really hurts.
yeah, and then she also mentioned about the self-care box that she has prepared
Mm.
for herself. It can be an imaginary thing or it can be an actual physical thing, which I really like because it differs, right? Like what soothes you, what calms you down, it
Yeah,
differs from person to person,
yeah.
and you can create one for yourself and just look back at it, go there, and calm yourself down. So I think it's
Yeah,
brilliant.
Supriya does that with music. I mean, little girl who switched back then, she was
Mm-hmm.
14 plus, but
Yeah,
now she is grown up.
right, right.
She uses
Yeah,
singing. So she sings a
yeah,
lot. She was singing while trying on the menstrual cup for the first time. So
nice.
she does singing. Hi Nandu, yo
Hey,
bro.
Nandu.
So
So she's alive.
yeah, she's alive. I was scared she wasn't receiving her phone. I was like, okay, no, not a good sign. Yeah. The moment it doesn't receive the calls, I
Yeah.
get scared.
Don't
So,
worry. So,
I mean, another thing that really, really enticed me was when I was doing my session with Himanshu. He was telling me that,
hmm,
for men, it's a different kind of experience altogether. Not menstruation, but when
hmm,
being around with women and how difficult it is for them
hmm,
to raise awareness. I mean, even in the
hmm,
21st century, this is a line that we draw. And I understand,
hmm,
maybe because men can be all knowledgeable about it, but they cannot be
hmm.
users, so it makes sense.
Yeah.
But
Hmm.
one thing I do not really agree that men do not shouldn't have a say on it. I think they have the right, because the energy
Yeah,
of
they
your
do.
period is also on a man. If
Hmm.
you are dumping,
Yeah.
or if you're burning the sanitary pad or sending it to the landfill, pollution doesn't know gender. It
Right.
is going to affect him, and it is going to affect his family, A, and B. A man is not just a man. He's a brother. He will be a husband, or he is a husband. He's a son. He has females he cares about, so he can be as much inquisitive, not disrespectful, but inquisitive about it. I
Obviously.
really like that point Himanshu brought up. It's something to
Hmm.
think about, because we instantly have this, we get defensive, which is natural. I understand that, it's periods, so only
Hmm.
women can talk about it. No,
Hmm.
it's a
No,
cycle
no,
for
that's,
humans.
yeah, that's completely, I think, I don't see it's very relevant in today's age. as to why men can't talk about it. And I was really happy that we are having some men and our
Yeah.
series open with Molly and Amit talking about it, which was
Amit is
brilliant
very pro
because,
about this. साथ रह
yeah,
रह के ना
so,
पक गया है वो, पक गया है. He's like, cup, he
it's
knows
like,
everything about cup. Cup, yeah, I know all details because he's done a lot of research. That's what
yeah,
he said. Being a
true.
man, because I don't have the experience, I need to get the theoretical
Hmm.
understanding. So he's done a lot of research
Right, right.
papers on the chemicals used on sanitary pads and what is menstrual cup made of, this and that. He's like, uterus नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ? थोड़ा ज्ञान से तो कुछ ना कुछ जवाब दे ही पाऊंगा मैं.
Yeah, right. Yeah, even I have my friends asking me questions, and I never find it offensive because it's obvious that they don't know what's going
Yeah,
on,
yeah.
and it's better to ask questions than make assumptions about things. So, I mean, I feel it's a better way to address those issues.
Absolutely. But what do
Yeah.
you think is the major reason why women cannot get out of sanitary pads? It's not very comfortable. We all know. We are both users, so we know it's not very comfortable.
I think there is some sort of taboo, which is related to probably, I would say, virginity, when it comes to, if we are talking about switching to menstrual cup, because even my mom was paranoid as when I told her. She's like, why? Like, just
Why
use pads.
inside?
Like, why? Yeah, why to mess around with things that are like very delicate? Like, she's like, that's what she told me. So I think it is something that's related to that because most of the time, even when you go around and ask if if I can use a menstrual cup and if I'm not married, people usually go on saying that menstrual cup we suggest after marriage. There's some sort of, I don't know, they have this kind of thing. So I think it's also because people really don't know how it works.
That is true.
So
Lack of
and
awareness,
the product
that's
is
the foremost reason, of course.
that's Yes, that is definitely a first reason. And I think now there is a lot of information available on it, but before there wasn't. So, like, yeah, that is one of the reason why I feel it's not very. But I'm really glad that people are making switch to at least
Yeah.
sustainable products.
I mean, a lot of women have
It's
switched
not.
to biodegradable pads as well, like made out of
Yes.
bamboo and banana leaf and all. So yeah, that's a healthy switch, and things are progressing.
Yeah.
So before
Hmm.
before I let you go, Mugdha, what would be your one
Yeah.
something that we ask everyone? What would be your one suggestion to all the new users of cup or
Hmm.
any other sustainable menstruation product?
Yeah, I would say, like, take your time, don't force yourself into it. It's going to be difficult. Whatever choice you make, there is possibility that you buy a cup, you don't feel comfortable, and you think, yeah, no, maybe, not now, maybe sometime later. So, like, hold on to it, while you look for other options, you know. I'm not saying stick to sanitary pads. I would say switch to sustainable options, whichever possible, you know. But with cups, I would say take your time. There's no hurry for that, you know.
Very
It's
well.
okay. Like yeah. It sometimes it happens like you use it once and then you feel no, maybe not. Maybe day two you feel like okay, let's use normal pads and see how it's working out for you. So yeah, that would be my one suggestion to everybody. And um, I would also say that don't just trust Google and YouTube videos about this information. If you know some user, go talk to them or go talk to your gynecologist, like, because it's very important part of our body. So, like, don't play around with it with half the knowledge. You know, that would be
Got to do proper
my
research, talk to your doctors, talk to a user. It's
yes,
going to give you
yeah,
better understanding.
definitely
Great. Okay, Mugdha.
amazing. All
And
right,
I'll
let
talk to
Nandu
you
come
right
in.
after this, as always. As
Yes.
always, I am
We're
in
always
my
talking.
Nandu 24/7.
Yes,
We get all updates.
24/7. Yeah.
Okay, babe.
All right
I
then.
will talk to you in a
All
while. Let
right.
me just have a small discussion with Nandu now. ठीक है? You take care,
Surely.
honey. Bye bye.
Okay. All
Bye.
right. Bye bye. All right.
Great. So let me now invite. Yeah, sent her a request, and let's see. I hope she got the request. Oh yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Did you
Hello.
just wake up?
I did. I just woke up. अबे यार slept at like 5 in the morning.
पार्टी कर रहे थे?
पता नहीं मुझे ऐसी चीजें मत बोलो ये सब ना गलत होती है बोलने के लिए.
नहीं.
Oh,
अबे
before
यार
we start,
पार्टी करें तो लेट नाइट सोना ही है ना.
before we start, अबे इसको देख.
My God. Oh, I'm not in Haridevpur at this moment. If I would be in the other flat, I would have shown you the size of the money plant. I am not
The
kidding. It
size.
is this big. I am not kidding. The leaves. It
It's
doesn't
not
fit in
fair.
the.
It's not fair.
I don't
Because
know what happens in Shillong. Why are the money plants so tiny in Shillong? I don't get it. They're
even
like
I don't get it.
puttuta.
अबे मेरा
Just give me a round of the plants. I have not seen them. I need to love them. Just give me a round first before I start talking about
मैं
them.
ना आराम से बैठी हुई हूँ क्यों मेरे से एक्स्ट्रा काम करा रहे हो. अच्छा
क्या यार नौटंकी मत कर घुमा मुझे देखना है एक बार.
Okay, anyway.
तू तब तक बाल बना ले अपने.
Aloe vera.
This
My
babies.
This is the Calesia ornata.
Yeah, we both have this.
Variegated monstera. I don't know what these are called, but
I don't know what these
Calesia.
are called, but they grow
These are Chinese money plants.
The one with
my polka dot is finally blooming. Another Calesia.
Both the red and both the pink and the white polka.
Both of them are blooming. It's blooming time. And then we have this. It's grown pretty big. And the best part is that do you see there are like babies coming out of here? Amazing. Then ye. The mutong.
Where is my puppy? Where is Ganga? Ganga Jal kahan pe hai? Where is Ganga Jal? Where is Ganga Jal?
Oh, Ganga Jal is here.
Oh, that's my Ganga Jal. Oh.
Yeah, and like this is also.
Donkey's tail is finally growing.
Yeah, and it has like new babies coming out, and my tomatoes.
Oh.
And then my jade plant also became like really big. And ये सब. क्यों नहीं करना यार इतना finally उसको थोड़ी सी
तो पूरा साइड
अकल शक्ल मिली है.
डाल देना और बुशी होगा फिर.
We'll see. How was the talk?
With Mugdha, as always, it was amazing. So you tell me, Nandu, how were your sessions with the people that you had out here?
Good, very good. It's really nice to see that people are like taking a step to at least know what sustainability is, let alone like getting into the path of it, because it takes time. You know, it's like, for example, minimalism. People don't really understand that it's not having just 2 pairs or 3 pairs of clothes and like not having a bed to sleep on and like ek cup hi chahiye sabke liye. It's no. You know, at least like getting to know about the subject is very nice. So people are a little conscious these days. Stupid to fir bhi hai, of course.
अरे यार वो तो छोड़ ही दे. हमारा तो बुक ही निकलने वाला है. People are stupid. कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका. When did you start using the cup, bro?
It's been about 4-5 years.
Damn.
It was just. It was very. I don't know how, but I came across this YouTube video of this girl trying to like, you know, use a menstrual cup, and then I was really fascinated with the whole idea of like sleeping properly, you know, during periods, because for me the biggest issue was not being able to sleep properly. मेरे को तो एक वैसे भी नींद नहीं आती, and periods के time में और नींद नहीं आती, because you know you feel like if you're moving and then like Hawaiian cocktail is be like being सब जगह से, you know how it is. It's like especially after you get up the next day. So then I didn't have a lot of people using it. I didn't know a lot of people who were using it. So I just YouTubed the fuck out of it. I Googled the fuck out of it. I asked a few people around.
I was using it, you duffer.
But that time, I mean, you remember the time we were not talking? We have these breaks now. We don't talk for like.
I was up for trekking. Yeah.
हाँ
बाहर
हाँ.
थी मैं.
So, you were also not there. So I YouTubed the fuck out of it. I Googled the fuck out of it. My biggest concern was the size of the cup. You know, should I use small, medium, or large? Large to me, I haven't had a baby yet. I'm gonna have beautiful kids one day.
You're gonna have
Uh,
amazing babies. They're
हाँ,
mine.
for sure. You can't eat them, but yeah, okay,
Yeah,
sure.
fine. I will. Because
So,
they're yours. They're mine.
So उसके बाद I got this she cup, which is basically medium size, and वो free size बता रहे थे पहले, but I feel it's medium because it is free तो लगता नहीं है. Some people who want a small size will not be able to use that. Like गधे हो क्या? Like why will you call it free size?
No, it's
But
pretty
yes,
big,
ever
yaar.
since I got that,
I've seen the size of your cup and it is pretty big. So it's a medium size because मेरा cup और तेरा cup का size same है. कभी did you feel any
so
sort of
medium.
discomfort? Any sort of discomfort or
No.
anything using it?
No, never. Initially, you know, when the vacuum gets created inside the vagina, when the cup opens up, that sudden suction was a little weird, but it is what it is. You know, it's not like it's harming you or anything. It's just a feeling that you have to get comfortable with over time.
Yeah.
So that.
Great.
And और क्या concern थी मेरी regarding the disinfecting the cup. Because my cup came with like these sachets. Because my mom doesn't let me use the utensils to like just boil the cup. She's like, "Chhi, no, tu pagal hai, kya kar rahi?" and all that. So I ended up using these sachets that came with the cup, and these were like, you know, antibacterial, vagera. But then those sachets ran out. After 3 years, they finally ran out. So then I think I was speaking to you, about it. And then I found this wash, like the menstrual cup wash on Amazon. And it's really nice because like when I was washing the cup, I realized that, it's not like normal sabun, जो कचाक कचाक नहीं होता. हाँ, ये कचाक कचाक नहीं होता.
Very pH balanced.
हाँ,
very pH balanced.
Yeah, it's very, very pH balanced. So, that was my main concern. I have come across a lot of people who tell me that they experience a lot of pain when they have the cup inside, but it's maybe the size issue. Maybe they haven't explored themselves.
I mean, I also recently I've been having people who are saying that people who are sexually active also they were telling me कि अंदर नहीं जा रहा है, and it's very unusual because if you do the pinch fold system, it's like so tiny. So few people actually what we came across after talking with them all over the night, it's the fear. Because of the fear they're like stringing the muscles so tight.
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah. It's the same reason a lot of people also experience, like when they use the cup, they experience that, next day kai to andar ghus gaya cup.
Because
they don't realize
है ना तो डर आ जाता है.
Yeah. So what a lot of like you have to relax yourself, when you're pulling the cup out. You have I feel people need to be more aware of their bodies before they use all of this, because unless you're not aware of your body and you still have that stigma of like exploring yourself, it's no.
There are so many women who do not know that there are 3 holes. One for urination, one for menstruation, one for excretion. They do not know, and that is pure lack of understanding of what your body comprises of. It's your body you need to explore. You need to know. Actually, one of the best ways to find out where your cervix is positioned is actually put your finger inside and check whether you actually have lower cervix. So you need the pot cups. It's a little chora but a little nata. Very cute.
I haven't seen those around. Cute.
Yeah. Very cute. They come white in color. Serona has it as well. So those are basically for women who have lower cervix, so that it gives them more surface area but less height. Then you have the cups that we use, the regular one. When to use a larger cup? Where exactly is your hole position? बहुत महिलाओं को तो ये ढूंढने में टाइम चला जाता है कि होल कहाँ है, and they think that we're going to enter it through the urethra. I'm like, no, those are like little very tiny holes. That is for urination.
And then people say मेरे को दर्द हुआ.
Exactly, and I'm like, नहीं पहले समझो बीच में होल है. अगर एक बच्चा वहां से निकल सकता है, your body is prepared for it.
Yeah.
If you do intercourse and another man's organ can get inside it, your body is prepared for it. If a baby can come out, your body is prepared for it. Okay, we have someone who says,
Gurvi, Gurvi,
I've
hi
had,
Gurvi.
okay, hello. I've had issues with the cup not opening inside, so it doesn't create a vacuum at all, and then it just slides from the sides. Don't know what to do about it. Okay, so once you fold and put the cup inside with your index finger, whichever finger you're comfortable with, just circulate the base, that tip. The third dandi ki jaisa nahi hota. That tip, just circulate your finger around it, and if you feel that there is a fold, you can just pinch the lower part. You
Or
can
like
pinch the
poke
lower
it.
part. Yeah, poke it, pinch it, and it'll open up. Get up and do march past for around 6 or 7 times. What happens is when you really, really raise your legs high enough, there is movement out there and it'll pop up. It has to pop up. It's silicone, right? It's not cardboard or paper or even plastic. It retains its original shape. So you pinch and fold, आराम से inside डालो. Index finger से check करो नीचे का base round है कि नहीं. If it is not round, just pinch and poke a little, it'll open up, get up and just, walk, pat karke. You're inside the bathroom, you're the queen. Okay? And if there is any issue after that, just contact Navjot or me or just leave a message in Green Ammo. We will walk you through the entire process. The next time you insert the cup, we will be there over the phone. So we will be able to guide you.
You know, I've had this issue too. Not issue as such, but there've been times where like I insert the cup and the cup doesn't open up. So what I generally do is poke around, but sometimes wo bhi nahi hua, then I'll take the cup out, I'll again rinse it, and then I shove it in.
Absolutely.
It's all trial and error again and again and again. You just have to be okay. Just breathe and be comfortable.
Okay, wait. I think I just missed the comment. नंदू कमेंट सेक्शन देख ले यार, मेरे को पता नहीं है
हाँ,
कैसे.
एक second. It hasn't happened yet, so it's kind of demotivating. Gurvi, don't get demotivated, yeah. Just like keep on keeping on.
Kill it.
हाँ, ठीक है. Try. If you have any issues, please हमें बता
Just
देना.
give us a call. We will be there when you are using it. Yeah.
About the cleaning part.
Okay, we can still talk, while she types. Both of our heads are tilted like that.
I know.
I never had an issue with the cup. It is so ever any sort of issue with the cup. But I can tell you one thing: being a traveler, there is nothing that can be better in your life.
I
कुछ होता है ना,
swear.
एक अच्छा trekking shoe, एक अच्छा backpack और एक महिला के लिए एक menstrual cup. You're good to go. No, honey, you are not supposed to use Dettol. Okay, you are not supposed to use Dettol because it has spirit and alcohol. So what you do is, before your period starts, you boil it for 10 minutes. And after your period gets over, you boil it for 10 minutes again. And in between, it is okay if you just wash it with clean running water only. No soap, no Dettol. But if you still have a hygiene concern, you get special wash that Navjot was mentioning.
Yeah, I'll send you that picture.
She'll send you the picture, she'll send you the link. That is a special wash, which is pH neutral. The reason you might be, if you wash it with Dettol, first of all, you inside your system, you're not supposed to have spirit and alcohol. So no soap, no Dettol, nothing at all. Boiling is the best mechanism to disinfect anything. That's the mechanism we use to clean the baby feeding bottles. That is how much we trust the mechanism of boiling. It's going into the mouth of a little
बच्चे को Dettol पिला दिया तो scam हो जाएगा.
Exactly. Dettol scam हो जाएगा. हम लोग newspaper में आ जाएंगे. So no, you don't need it at all. It's okay. It's okay. We all have these concepts कि disinfectant है तो सबसे ज़्यादा साफ करेगा. नहीं. Not in this case. पहले 10 मिनट boil करने का, पूरा period खत्म होने के बाद boil it for 10 minutes again. And this is something you follow religiously. You have to boil your cup no matter what, or you have to wash your cup with a specific washing agent no matter what. Okay, so this is something that you do. If you do not want to use a utensil, just buy a small electric kettle. They come for 1,000, 1,200. Or you also have something called sterilizer, menstrual cup sterilizer. You get it in Amazon. And it costs something between 14 to 1,800. You can buy that. It's super tiny, super comfortable for traveling, and it's your own little sterilizer that you can always carry. It weighs literally just 200 grams or something. So these are all the options. You can have your kettle, you can have your own utensil, you can have your cleanser, you can have your washing agent. Okay. So I hope you could clear out a little doubt. Anything else, just feel free to contact.
There's also another way. I remember हमने session लिया था with one of your friends whom we had met traveling only. She said कि उसके पास
Amruta.
ना वो घड़ी का डब्बा है. हाँ. So
Amruta.
उसके हाँ, so she has that घड़ी का डब्बा. And what she does is when she's traveling, she'll pour like really hot water in the ghadi ka dabba, and then she'll put her menstrual cup inside, and she'll let it be for like at least like 5 to 10 minutes, and that works as well. So there are lots of ways. If you ever feel unsure about menstrual cups or anything for that matter, because we're amazing, we deal with everything types. Just leave us a message.
Exactly. We'll always be there. We get super excited. We get like super excited about it. So
Yeah.
before we end this, Nandu, let me ask you the one question we keep asking other people.
Hmm.
What would be your one advice to all the new users, to all the users who are trying to use the cup, or any other sustainable product? What would be your advice?
It's not only about sustainable products or users together, but in life in general, don't be rigid. Be flexible. Like, हो जाएगा. Like, calm the fuck down. Don't be fucking stupid. Educate yourself. And what about those cotton pads? Don't you advise that?
Uh,
They're
if you're
sustainable,
talking
huh?
about the normal sanitary pads, the ones which you get in the market with nth number of companies, no. It's a straight short answer, no, because they have chemicals. They are made of plastic. It has cancer-causing agent. It is not good for the health at all. That's the reason women have rashes. And cotton is an absorbent. You do not want an absorbent on your genitalia, sucking in everything else apart from the blood as well. So no way. But if you're using biodegradable pads, that is still okay, but it still consumes cotton, and there is a disposing issue. Even if it biodegrades, there is a disposing issue. Apart from that, you can use cloth pads, reusable cloth pads, which is okay if you're staying in a very sunny place, because they have to be sun dried and disinfected, and sun is the best way to disinfect if you're using a cloth pad. Or you can also use period panties. Nika has amazing period panties. You can use those as well. But please, for your health's sake, for the sake of environment, and for your economy's sake as well, please do not use one-time use sanitary pads. They're not good for the health. They're not good for the environment. Definitely way too costly. It seems like you're spending only $200 per month, but if you do a calculation on the over the
I
year,
haven't
it's
spent a single
2,500.
penny ever since I got the menstrual cup.
Can you
Not a
imagine how
single
much money
penny.
we save?
बहुत यार, बहुत. It's
बहुत पैसा
it's
बचाया है हम
it's
लोगों ने.
it's a blessing in disguise. Like, and yaar, kar lo use. I'm telling you, that
So
sleep
yeah,
that you'll get, no, is crazy, crazy.
like Nandu says, please don't be rigid, be flexible, try out new things. You'll fail, you get up, you walk again. That is the whole part of life. And it goes for everything else. But before that, do your research, talk to your gynecologist. If you are not having a gynecologist, have one. It is important. As a woman, there are special needs that you have. And after age, it becomes absolutely necessary to go for your screenings, to get yourself checked out. Talk to your gynecologist. She'll make it
Explore
absolutely clear
yourselves.
for you.
Explore yourselves.
Love your
Understand your
body.
body.
You're a
Feel,
woman. You have a
feel,
beautiful
feel the
body.
body.
Every part of it. Feel your body. Love your body. Know your body. It's yours. Alien थोड़ी आके कुछ कर रहा है. अपने आप को जानने में क्या शर्माना और गलती क्या है
Yeah,
इसमें?
let go of that
Know your
stigma that
body.
has been there for ages. You can, like, I keep telling my brother about it. Like, I keep
Uh,
telling his friends about it. I I keep telling everyone about it. I just need to find a person who
we
does not use
we
menstrual
we have
cups.
been doing the prachar and nara for such a long time.
And so many people have, like, switched. So it's not like, sometimes it
Yeah.
takes time for you to get comfortable in those cups. Maybe you'll get comfortable after the second use. Maybe you'll get comfortable like after a while. But just like I said, don't be rigid, be flexible and relax when you're taking the cup out and you're inserting it in.
Very important point.
Relax.
You need to relax. You cannot be
Hmm.
nervous about it. You just need to know your body is made for it.
Yeah.
Your vaginal hole is actually very stretchy. It is.
Hmm.
So the cup is really tiny. Trust me,
And
it's
it's so
really
fluffy.
tiny. It's so smooth, no rough edges, nothing at all.
Yeah.
So I hope, sweetheart, we could cover up all your points. Nandu, thank you so much.